Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the League of Legends is not uninstalling from your PC or how you can reinstall it. So first if I go to the Windows search tab here the League of Legends and try to uninstall it from the Windows uninstaller, then it is not going to uninstall completely from your PC. So you have to open up your any browser and search for the Revo uninstaller and just open up the first website. Now here in this page just click on the download option you are seeing. Now here just scroll down and click on the free download. So now we are going to download it for free and then it will start downloading into your PC. So the best part is this is the software which is only the 6 MBs. So once you download it, just simply install it into your PC. And this will uninstall the League of Legends completely from your PC. Then you can go to the Windows search tab at the Revo uninstaller and simply open it. Now from here, just click on the search box and just type the League of Legends. Right click on that game and click on the uninstall. Now here you can see its size and now here you just need to uncheck this box of the system restore. Click on the next. Now from here you just need to select the advanced scan option. We are going to advanced scan and first it will scan all the registry items, all the files or the keys or values of the League of Legends game. So once it is full scan, then it will give you the all the registry items like this. So here you just need to select them all and simply delete this. Here you can see the registry items. So once you delete it, simply click on the next option, just click on the yes option. Then it will give you all the leftover files or folders. Here you can see the large amount of the folders or the files are found. So you just need to select them all and don't worry, these are all the files or folders of the League of Legends game. So you just need to select them all and delete them. Once you delete this, now the League of Legends is completely uninstalled from your PC. And guys, this is how you can uninstall the League of Legends. And if you found this video helpful and if your problem is fixed, so please make sure you like this video because this is on motivation for me. I will see you guys in the next video.